Hello and welcome to this training session on using the Smoothwall Radar portal. In this section we're going to cover using monitoring setup to enable the client's silent mode, whereby there is no visible indication of the active client software on the device. Any type of monitor user can access monitoring setup from the top menu to display configuration settings for their available groups. However, monitor users classed as view only will not be able to amend settings. Select the user group for which settings should be viewed or modified. Note that device groups may also exist for your site but are rarely used to set configuration. Select Options and then Client Mode to configure this feature. Untick the Show Tool Tray icon checkbox to remove the Shield tool tray icon from being displayed on the active device. Untick the Show User Messages checkbox to suppress any active messages that have been enabled elsewhere for the user group, such as notification of capture or website redirection. Select Save at the bottom of the page to save any changes that have been made. Any new device settings will take effect following a log off and log on or restart of the device. Thank you for watching this video.